Hey, she's Sam.
And she's Sarah.
And we're from Teemill.
And we want to help you make the most out of your Christmas to promote your online store.
So we'll be sharing 12 of the most impactful actions that you can take between now and Christmas to set up your store for success.
Let's get into the tips.
Tip number 1 for winning Christmas is to promote the offers we've automatically enabled for Teemill stores.
This weekend, from the 1st to the 3rd of December, for example, is the biggest opportunity of the entire year to drive sales with free UK shipping, automatically enabled all weekend.
Last year's stores actually saw up to 465% more revenue on this weekend compared to an average weekend with no promotion.
This is the time to go big.
Go big!
Download the new free post graphics from Drive, post onto your socials, and send out email newsletters to let customers know that they won't want to miss this.
No way. And if they happen to be the kind of people who leave things to the last minute, not to worry, because this year we are offering you the chance to extend your free shipping offer to Monday too. So tell your customers to use the code POSTMAS in checkout.
Woo! Give them that extra surprise on Monday morning for an extra boost. And then check your master plan inside Teemill for more upcoming offers. I heard something about free mugs.
Tip number 2 is really simple. Release something new. Newness is always a massive driver of traffic.
And it could be a new Christmas design, a collection in collaboration with an artist or influencer, oversized jumpers, or ceramic mugs.
Have a browse in Studio to see which products you haven't made use of yet and frame all your new drops as the perfect gift for that special someone.
When you time your new drops with key dates, such as Christmas Jumper Day on the 7th, you will maximize engagement. Dance break.
Tip number 3, all about helping people to find all your awesome products.
And that is where search engine optimization comes in.
Or SEO if you're a smart owl.
Yeah. We've got a handy tool inside Teemill called T-Rank, which you can use to see what people are searching for online right now.
Like personalised mugs.
Or gifts for dads.
Or Christmas jumpers.
Or Christmas pudding.
Sam, they can't wear Christmas puddings.
Oh.
If you spot some ideas for products that would suit your store and you don't have them yet, why not create them?
Yeah! Tip number 4 is to go full on festive. Here at Teemill, we talk about Christmas buying stores. That means adding things like snowflakes,
Festive borders around images.
or photography featuring all the usual Christmas goodies.
Or like pine cones.
Oh, and Christmas trees.
And wrapping paper. Your paper packaging can also be turned into some awesome Christmas craft projects. By the way, you still have time to order samples at wholesale prices from your sample store and get some festive original photos onto your site and into your marketing.
If you're pressed for time, use our Christmassy AI mock-ups to instantly refresh your store. Christmas tip 5 is a must, and that's to add a gift guide to your store.
We've added a page template to your website builder to make this super easy to set up.
Simply add in your best sellers and then link up your gift guide in your menu and promote it.
You can create separate gift guides for different gift recipients or aimed at different people in your audience, like gifts for her or him.
Ooh, cat lovers.
Ooh, plant mums.
Dog dads.
The whole thing! People are busy and they want easy, high-quality gifts and don't want to spend ages searching. So if your gift guides can help them get it sorted quickly and easily, that's the better way to do it.
Tip 6 is based on the fact that 2/3 of people say the best gift they ever received has been a personalised one.
This is a massive opportunity for your store. There are a couple of ways that you can offer customizable products for your customers to add their names, their photos, and so on onto your products.
First, there's a toggle in your product editor, which you can use to make any item personalisable.
Or you can add a whole custom studio to your store.
Whoa.
This is already set up for pro stores. but just go to your URL/studio and you'll be taken to it.
If you want to change the price of the items in your custom studio, you can do this using your Studio Settings plugin in the plugin section of your store.
This is a massive, unique selling point for your store. So promote it to an audience in a way that makes sense for you. Maybe you're a wildlife brand inviting people to get their own nature photography printed.
Or your store is all about funny teas, and you can encourage your customers to create their own jokey Secret Santa gifts for their mate. Tip 7 is to give more for less with bundles.
Teemill Pro stores can create bundles of multiple items to boost average order value. Throw in a tea, a hoodie, and a mug, just for example.
It helps your customers tick off more of their Christmas shopping list all in one go. Remember to add your bundles to your gift guides to make them super visible.
Thank you for reminding me.
Tip 8 is something we've seen working incredibly well for the top stores, and it's all about creating a sense of FOMO, exclusivity, and making your biggest fans feel special.
One great way to do that is to create a secret product, which only you share with your newsletter subscribers.
You can tease that you'll be dropping something exciting on your social media.
And encourage your followers to sign up to your newsletter if they haven't already, so they don't miss it.
Some stores have taken this idea and also turned it into a secret sale by creating a whole collection of discounted items and only sharing the link with subscribers.
Awesome idea. For email newsletters promoting secret products, we've seen an amazing click-through rate, as high as 19%, and revenue surpassing free post promotions.
Christmas tip 9 from us is to use the Teemill feature available to Pro stores and send emailed newsletters to your audience.
Email marketing has the highest return on investment of any marketing activity, and we've made it as easy as possible for you to create marketing emails that convert.
Inside Teemill, when you create a mail shot, you'll see that you can add in pre-written content from our content wallet.
Wow. You'll find pre-written stories of all of our offers, as well as key product features and behind-the-scenes stories from our factories.
Get a Teemill sent out today to share your gift guides, bundles, and Christmassy photography. Our 10th Christmas tip is all about social proof.
75% of people are open to buying gifts from sites that they haven't shopped with before, but that means you need to create trust.
And the best way to show that is that you have lots of happy customers already who love your products.
Two of the best ways to showcase this is by asking your customers to review your products after they receive them and asking them to tag you in photos of them wearing or styling your products.
Repost your best reviews and photos. It's an easy way to bulk out your social media feed with user-generated content that is proof for new customers that they should get their gifts from your store.
Speaking of gifts, let's go.
Tip 11 is about spreading the holiday spirit with a few treats.
Yep, we're talking about a Christmas giveaway. It is great to give back to your customers and thank them for their support this year by running a giveaway on your socials.
You could offer them a choice of whatever tea they want from your site, and you can send it to them directly through your sample store.
Or you can use your giveaway as a way to promote your latest products and bestsellers by making the prize something from your latest launches.
Ooh. Ask followers to comment and share with friends to enter, which will help you gain new followers too. Tip 12. Our final Christmas tip is that Christmas is a whole season, and that season extends all the way to January, with Boxing Day in particular being a popular time for those sofa browsers.
So make sure that before you log off for your family time and go cook that Christmas dinner, you have got something planned to keep customers engaged across that gap between Christmas and New Year.
It could be a sell. You could share your impact stats from your analytics and say thanks for everyone's support.
Or you could go encourage customers to have a clear out of their wardrobe ahead of the new year and send back any 100% cotton clothing to be recycled through teemill.com/threadnotdead.
They'll receive store credit to spend with you as long as your Remill plugin is enabled.
Woo! And don't forget that we'll enable a free UK shipping promotion on your store automatically for the last weekend of December too. And now you've got all your top tips, you are now equipped to have the best Christmas ever.
Tag us in your marketing and tell us how you're making the most of the busiest season of the year. Good luck and Merry Christmas!